Hello YouTube, I'm Emmanuel and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your MT4 to your brokerage account on your Android, alright? In our previous video, I showed you how to do that on your iPhone, okay? But in today's video, I'm going to show you simple step-by-step guide on how to connect your MT4 or rather your MetaTrader 4 to your brokerage account. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to download the MT4 app. Okay, you want to go to Play Store. If you don't have the app already downloaded on your phone, go to Play Store, download the app on your phone, the MT4 app. So once you're done downloading it, then you open your brokerage account. Okay, you open your brokerage account. Now if you want to know the broker that I use, which is my recommended broker, I use Xness. All right, I use Xness. So I'll leave the link in the description of this video, so you can click and register and with my link. All right, please, I would really appreciate it if you do register with my link, because Essence is going to pay me a commission for referring somebody to their platform. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive straight into today's video. So now after you've done downloading the MT4 on your phone, then you head straight to your brokerage account. Like I said, I use Xness, so let me go straight to my Xness account. So now, after you're done logging into your brokerage account, the moment you open your Xness account, you're going to click on details. All right, you're going to click on details right here. Then it's going to bring you to this page. Then you shift to settings. Now this way you're going to get your login information. Now the only thing we need here is our login number and our server, because those are the things we're going to use in logging into our MetaTrader 4. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to copy your login number, and then you want to keep your server in mind. Now for this case, my own server is Xness Real 2. Alright, log in my trading account into my MT4. Alright, so the next thing I'll do is I'll come back to my MT4, then I'll click on these three lines at the top left corner. Alright, so it's going to show me log into an existing account or create or open a demo account. Now I'll just click on it, and then I will click on this plus sign, then I'll click on log into an existing account. Okay, because we are logging into an account we've already created in our brokerage account. All right, so now you want to find your broker. So we're going to find Xness. Then once you search for your broker, then you look for your server. All right, in my own case, my own server is Xness Real 2. Okay, so I'll look for Xness Real 2. Now this is Xness Real 2 right here. I'll click on it, then I'll input that login number I copied. Then I'll put my password, my trading password. Now this password, you're going to get it when you're creating your trading account. Okay, inside your broker, when you're creating your trading account, you're going to see a section where you'll be required to create a password. Now that password is what you're going to be using in this section. Okay, so let me just go ahead and input my password. All right, so we're going to give it time to load. Now it's connecting. We're going to give it time to load. So once it loads, you see that my name has appeared just as it is on my brokerage account. Okay, my name have appeared, which means I've successfully connected my MT4 to my brokerage account. Now I can now deposit on my brokerage account and trade that money on my MT4. All right, so now this is a very simple step-by-step guide, okay, and a detailed video on how to connect your MT4 to your brokerage account. All right, so if you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop new videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. All right, so see you guys in my next video.